In September this year, INEOS completed the acquisition of Danish oil and gas business DONG. The deal now positions INEOS as a top 10 oil and gas company in the UK and the biggest private enterprise in the North Sea.
I think if you look at oil and gas as a whole, with now 6 businesses going forward, 900 or so employees across that group of assets, close to $1 billion of EBITDA in 2017, a very significant organization, and now with a platform that allows us to grow even further.
The DONG business had been built up around 3 world-class oil fields. Ormen Lange is the second largest field in Norwegian waters. Lagan Tormore is a new gas field west of Shetland, and Sid Arn is a large field in Denmark.
And the DONG portfolio had actually a reasonably good mix of both sizable near-term production, but at the same time it had over 300 million barrels of what we call contingent resources, which we know are there. It's a question of whether we can develop them economically, but they are there.
Off the back of the DONG deal, there has been further developments as INEOS acquired licenses to explore deep water areas to the north of Scotland.
We have agreed a deal with a company called Siccar Point to farm into a couple of licenses adjacent to acreage that and discoveries that we have ourselves, with the aim to unlock that potential and ultimately develop a new area north of the greater Lagan assets that we own.
On top of this, there are 4 new wells being drilled by INEOS on its Breagh field. A few members of the team managed to find time to take a closer look.
Going out there was very, very interesting. Understanding how they think about their safety, how they go about being efficient, how they manage what is inherently quite a dangerous environment to work in, and yet being efficient, I thought was fantastic. So I want to thank everybody for hard effort. Take a well-deserved holiday break, ready for some new action in the new year.